Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace and my channel's name is Grace Lane. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi! So in today's video, we're going to talk about body maintenance soaps. I made a video similar to this about body maintenance lotions, and best believe I had to come through with soaps that maintain the glow, baby. Before we start this video, I want you to know that these soaps are non-carcinogenic, they're non-bleaching, and they just give you what? A fine finish. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the scent Ives Vanilla Milk. Now this is a pampering body wash. It has two main ingredients, which are vanilla and oat milk. Oat milk is a great source of vitamins and nutrients. The milk used in this particular body wash is soy milk. So if you're allergic to using soy milk, please be aware before buying this. It also has cocamide DEA, and this is a great surfactant. So what I'm trying to say is that this is the ingredient that gives you the lathering, it gives you the foaming effect, and this is a very safe, non-carcinogenic surfactant, and it's great for your skin. It has benzyl salicylate, and this is an amazing ingredient, or should I say it's a great addition, because if you're the type that has acne on your body, this is also good because it's also going to help tame the acne. But this is not an acne specific body wash, but it does have benzyl salicylate, meaning that it is good if you have body acne. The next one is the Makari exfoliating soap. Now this, I don't want to be biased, but this is like my fave. I love this soap. First, because it doesn't have the grains inside of it like the ones in the Makari antiseptic soap. This is a very good soap in terms of exfoliating your body. It's going to help unclog your pores. It's going to help tame your acne. It's a good one. It is pricey, but it is a good one. Like the name says, it's an exfoliating soap, so you can't use this every single day. It is important that you use this 3 times a week. It is brightening, but it has zero bleaching properties in it. So it's that kind of soap that gives you a radiance. Like it just makes you radiate, makes you glow from within out. So if you're dark skinned, you can use this. If you're light skinned, you can use this. It is an amazing soap for everybody. It has shea butter and carrot oil, and these two ingredients help keep moisture in your skin. It is one of those exfoliating kind of soaps that don't leave you dry. Like it keeps your body plump, it keeps your body refreshed, moisturized, even after using this. And it's only a few companies that you get to experience this kind of thing with. One is Dove. Dove also gives you that effect after using their soap because they have like a pump load of moisture inside of it. So this particular Makari soap actually does the same kind of job, but the thing is that it also adds brightening. My favorite ingredient in this soap is retinol palmitate. Now this is a very good ingredient because it tackles fine lines and wrinkles. So this is also great for people who are elderly, people who are in their 30s, people who are in their late 20s who are beginning to see fine lines and certain kind of wrinkles. This is a great ingredient. This is a great soap to add to your stash. This is because the retinol palmitate helps boost collagen production. So when it comes to fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, stretch marks, collagen production, anything that increases collagen production is one of the great ingredients for those kind of things. So if you're the type that has fine lines and wrinkles, this soap, you should have gotten it like a day before yesterday. That's a period. That's a period. This is the current retail price as of today. The next one is for my acne babes. It's for my babes who have oily skin from their neck down. It's for my babes who struggle with chest acne and back acne. This is a Nigerian salicylic acid wash. So aside the fact that it helps fight acne, it also has some brightening effects. So it's not just going to help clear your acne, it's also going to help brighten the dark spots as well. So salicylic acid is a very mild exfoliant. It's going to help remove those dead skin layers from your skin, but in a very mild way. So if you're a sensitive skin person like myself, this is a great soap or body wash to add to your stash. It has this very slow releasing kind of salicylic acid. There's a chemistry towards this, right? And I'm trying to break it down as much in a very simple term. But there's a release of salicylic acid throughout the day when you're using it. So it's that kind of soap that gives you its effect over a period of time. It's not those ones that like today you have to use it over a period of time. So because of how mild this particular body wash is, you can use it every single day. It's a good everyday body wash. It has a fine balance of salicylic acid and other ingredients in it that is safe for people who have very sensitive skin. Now, its foaming property is disyl glucoside. This is a very good surfactant and it is great for people who have sensitive skin. It's very mild, it's not harsh to the skin at all. If you have an acne prone skin, please go and get this. Just go and get it. Just go. Still on body acne, the next one is the Dermaco Salicylic Acid Body Wash. I love this wash because it's that one that if you're the type that has those very serious acne, like you have very serious body acne, chest acne, back acne, like this or like this is a good, very, very, very good acne body wash. It has salicylic acid, glycerin, and pentavitine, and these three ingredients are powerhouses when it comes to acne and clearance, acne scars, and all that jazz. So the salicylic acid and the glycerin would directly target your acne, whereas the pentavitine is a hydrating ingredient. So it's going to help your skin not dry out, because one thing with acne treating products is that they have a way of drying out your body. But this particular one, salicylic acid, is one of the mildest ingredients when it comes to treating acne. So this particular one is really, really good, and it's not going to dry you out because of the pentavitine, and it's going to help lock in that moisture in your body. So over the course of the day, you don't feel very dry and you don't get that effect that most acne body washes would give you. This is the current retail price as of today. Now the next one is by all means my favorite because of the story behind the body wash. This is the Ole Balance and Even Body Wash. If you suffer from dry skin from your neck down like myself, this is for you. This has a pump load of moisture. It has cocoa butter, manuka honey, and these two ingredients are great in terms of giving you sweet moisture, amazing moisture to your skin. It also has aloe and notes of camelin, and these two ingredients would also restore and increase moisture. So like I said, this particular body wash is for moisture. If your problem is just dry skin, like you just dry skin like myself, you should have gotten this because it's going to pump you with moisture. It was particularly designed for melanin queens. This is for us because we need moisture. Our body loves moisture, and our body radiates when we put in a lot of moisture into it. It has this particular color and that color and that color, and the artist who designed it is also a black person, Avery Williamson. Shout out. Finally, it has vitamin C and apple cider vinegar. This would help maintain the pH of your skin. So like I said, you should have gotten this like what? Like yesterday. Finally, we have our OG for the 3G, which is extract soap. I personally love this soap because it's affordable. It's not gonna break the bank. It's good. It's good, right? So it has distilled kernel, papaya, salicylic acid, and zero bleaching properties. This is going to help brighten your skin. This is also going to help prevent acne, but it's not an acne specific kind of soap. At the same time, it's affordable, and it also gives you most of the benefits you get from some of the expensive ones. That being said, now you have gotten a few knowledge of soaps that can help maintain your skin. But you have to understand that you must do the basics. What are the basics? Change your sheets, have a shower twice a day, make sure that you are cleaning your body, wearing clean clothes. You have to ensure that you're doing these basics before you start buying any expensive thing. They all fall under this. Like if you're not doing the basics, then whatever you're doing afterwards would not make sense at all. Thank you so much guys for tuning in today. Thank you so much for all the love you put on my channel. I want to know what is that body soap that keeps you nourished, that is amazing for your skin, that you've been using and you swear by. I want to leave it in the comment section. I always reply to comments. Thank you so much for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.